What? How'd you get all the way out here? How long has it been? I grew up weird. Looks like 2 months ago. Last time I knew. Let me head back inside. I think I know where I am. Man, some kind of woods or something? What the hell? I think that's my house up there. Lights are on. Who's here? Deep fryer. Oil. Oh, no. Bachelor meal Mondays. Not every Monday. In fact, I actually got something to say before I start the episode. Basically, I stopped making these because it took a hell of a lot of effort to get like a few views here and there. Then a bunch of people were like, "Hey Rob, where's the Bachelor meals?" Have you watched them all? Well, yeah, okay, there's a start. Do you share them? No. Well, there you go. Like, can't spread my videos around if they don't get spread around. So, I'm gonna make this episode Bachelor Meal Mondays. Not every Monday. 100 views. Once this video hits 100 views, then I'll make another video. That's it. Back to the episode. Flour. Oil. Cheesecake. Cinnamon. Alright, so first what you want to do, you grab the dry ingredients. You don't want to get wet until it's time. Pour a little bit of that in that bowl. Sure you got a bowl. Everybody got a bowl. Grandma got a bowl. I didn't even need that much. I'm wearing a black shirt. You know what that means. I'll throw a bunch in there. Not a ton. You don't want it to get crazy because it's not sweet in cinnamon. So if you put too much, it's not going to be good. But yeah, you want to get that in that batter. That's all you want to do. Get it in them dry ingredients. I probably put way too many dry ingredients now I'm looking at this. Way too much. I don't need that much. But that'll be good. It's nice and cinnamony. You can tell when you just smell it and you're like, oh. Yeah. Woo! I forgot an ingredient. You want salsa water. No flavors. I couldn't find one with no flavors. There's no flavor to this one, I mean. Shut up. Then you want to slowly mix the salsa water. Oh God, it's going everywhere. Ah! You want to mix the salsa water into this. Let's fill up the deep fryer now. Oh! Oh yeah! Oil! Oil! Oh my God! Oh my God! Liquid gold! Oil! Make sure you got it all plugged in and whatnot. Throw that right in there. Plug it in. Power. Now wait. I was once a young man who didn't like to take a dump on time. It really smells like berry in here. I wish all these had had normal salsa water. Sometimes it's called soda. Mix it up real nice and creamy, smooth. This is your batter. I don't know if you already freaking caught on what we're making today, but it ain't your grandma's freaking meatloaf, alright? So I'm gonna batter some cheesecake that's been freezed in the freezer, and then I'm gonna fry it. You guys ready? You ready for the bachelor meal? You ready for it? I'm gonna take these nice, delicious New York style cheesecakes. One almost fell on the ground. I caught it with my thumb because I'm amazing. I'm gonna batter them up in some berry cinnamon batter. Oh crap, cheesecake's done. So, forgot to record. It's been a while. I battered the cheesecake slices. So now they're in the deep fryer and they're done. So I floured, then battered some cheesecake slices and I dropped them right in with some fresh oil. You guys want to see the final results? You ready for the reveal? Is that what you want? Oh my lord, would you look at that? Deep fried cheesecake. Yeah, boy! Alright guys, the moment of truth. Are they good? Are these delectable looking things good? We're gonna take this one right here. We'll get pulled down, huh? Pretty good, hot in the middle. Oh my god. Guys, get inside that. That kind of looks disgusting, I know. Oh my lord. This may be the best thing I've ever made on Bachelor Meal Mondays. Better than the buffalo chicken pizza, buffalo chicken calzone, the wontons, the deep fried grilled cheese. This is better than deep fried grilled cheese, people. Do this at home. From the end we're a little hot, but when you get towards the thicker part, it's a little cool. That was Bachelor Meal Mondays, guys. Deep fried cheesecake. No frying perfect. Now remember, I get 100 views on this video, there'll be another one. And trust me, I'm a little rusty. I forgot to press record a couple different times, and some of it was lost because I couldn't like re-record battering these, so. Alright, this has been Big Red. Bachelor Meal Mondays. Bye! Take on me, take on me, take me. Oh, what the f— I want it to go down. I gotta spin it around. My cameraman. I need a cameraman. Anybody want to be my cameraman? You get free food. Deal.